Infinix has silently launched its new budget-friendly phone globally called Infinix Smart 9, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Infinix Smart 9 features a tall 6.7-inch HD+ display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a 13-megapixel main camera with f1.85 aperture, alongside an auxiliary lens. Under the hood, the Infinix Smart 9 comes powered by MediaTek Helio G81 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 3 or 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, with microSD expansion up to 2 TB via dedicated slot. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 14 under Go Edition, based on XOS 14 Skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it has dual stereo speakers for better audio experience, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, FM radio, IR blaster, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.7 by 77.1 by 8.35mm, and it weighs around 188 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Infinix Smart 9 has been priced in Malaysia for 3GB plus 64GB storage variant at 299 Malaysian ringgits for the base variant. And it is now available for purchase in the country in metallic black, neo titanium, mint green, and sandstone gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Infinix Smart 9 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.